Ready to unlock the spending power of your brand new Halifax credit card? Let's jump straight into activating it online so you can start using it right away. First things first, head over to the Halifax online banking website using your computer or mobile device. You can find the link in the description below for easy access. Now, log into your online banking account using your existing username and password. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to register for online banking. First, there should be a button on the login page that says register. Once you're logged in, navigate to your account summary page. You should see a list of your Halifax accounts, including your new credit card. Locate your new credit card. It is usually at the bottom. Click on your new credit card to view its details. Look for a button or link that says activate card. This is usually prominently displayed. Click on that button. You'll be prompted to verify your card details. This usually involves entering the CVV code located on the back of your card. You might also be asked to confirm your billing address or other personal information. Once you've entered all the required information, click Submit or Activate. You should then see a confirmation message indicating that your card is now activated. Congratulations! Your Halifax credit card is now activated and ready to use for online and in-store purchases. Enjoy the convenience and benefits of your new credit line. Don't forget to subscribe for more helpful banking tips.